Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 9 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 81 sine t square, 81. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square. We change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have number 9 cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, I will put this one cone here, and we can find the value of t, that is about number 0 when s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, and then we divide both sides by number 9 to find the value of t. So t equal to arc sine of 1 over 9. So I will put this one gone here. S we change for this one. Ds we change for this one. So this one, that is about 81 sine t square. Number 81, we can do about factorization. So 1 minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one, we have number 9 cosine t. So we simplify and we have dt. The integration of this one, we have t, and we put the bounds from 0 to arc sine of 1 over 9. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.